guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy the freaking Goatz, and today what I was gonna do is I don't know if it's completely ready yet, but by the time you're watching this it might be. I recently posted another Fortnite video, and I'm a controller player, so it's very hard and difficult for me to really make Fortnite videos, if that makes sense. Well, compared to Roblox videos, I just play on the PC, so it's incredibly easy to just upload a quick Roblox video or just a short to entertain you guys. But I thought I owe it to my favorite game, Fortnite, to try. So yeah, it's with Fortnite YouTubers now. I'll still upload some Roblox content, but mostly I'll just be expressing my love for Fortnite because it really just is my favorite game of all time. So anyway, I saw today, if I'm going to be a Fortnite YouTuber now, or I'm going to make Fortnite content, I need a dream squad. Someone that is either going to go into a competitive zero build cup. Now this is zero build, not build. It'd be different if it was build. But if I'm ever going into a competition, something competitive, I need a squad to carry me. And, well, not really carry me, but I need a squad to help me. So today I've put together my personal top 4 squad of zero build veterans, and I thought we'd obviously start with me. So me, I'm probably a very consistent controller player. I'm on the PS4. I've got great aim, great accuracy, some good communication, like when we're playing. If you've seen our latest video, I'm calling out shots, getting the res. But I did need some help. I'm not a solo player. I'm playing squads fill sometimes if I'm lonely. So we've got aim so far. We've ticked that box. Aim and communication. We need a playmaker though, and there's only one man I could use for that, which is, oh, my thing didn't work here. You saw him in our latest video, is Easy Floors. Let me just move my webcam. It's kind of blocking him. I think I like it down the corner. Oh yeah, it looks good there. Easy Floors. We recently won a squads match together. I think the recording cut out after 15 minutes, but if you wanted to know, at the end of that squads match, we did win. So me and Emrys, he's an insane playmaker. He is better in the build mode, but the reason why I need him is because we need some communication. Me and Emrys, we have good chemistry. We go to school together and everything. So yeah, I thought me and Emrys or Easy Floors, we'd make a very good dynamic duo. But now we've got aim, communication, and playmaking. But I feel like the one factor that is going to cost us is the aim. We need to get something other than... We need more aim, simply. And there's only one man, I said this before, but only one person can help me with the aim, and that's a fellow controller player. I always forget to do this. FaZe Joe, or Adam, my friend. Now, me and Adam, we go back as the aim buddies. We're both. He's on Xbox and PlayStation. We both got very strong and powerful aim. We have very different preferences, but we get there. And with Emrys's playmaking over here, we always make a good team of 3. But you know, this is only a short video. But you do know, all of this, we've got aim, communication, a lot of aim, playmaking, but all of this stuff, it's all useless unless we back it up with some skill. We need some light skill, good on his toes, and the answer to that question is there's only one person, which is, accidentally, that was embarrassing. I mean, Emerson. Emerson. Another superhero skin like Emerson is, yeah, he's cracked. He's got some skill. He's a PS5 player, so he's got that aim. He's got that support. He's got the skill, the determination. He just really would bring the power and what we need to be a good team. And now with all of these plays. With me, Emrys, Adam, and finally Emerson, we are... I meant to say, we are the Goatz. thank you for watching, guys. It's been fun making this video. Hopefully you'll see me with this squad more often. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!